Right, still holding my short on LYFT from yesterday, up 80 bucks that position. Keeping an eye on Walgreens and LW. Going short on WBA, 250 shares at 55.41. Looking for it to come down and break that opening range. All right, LYFT trying to recover. Got my stop on the books at break even. Actually, a couple pennies of profit. Probably should have locked that in at the open, but let's see if it can reject this 200 and this $70 mark and run back down. WBA trying to go the wrong way, but coming back to me here. So just staying patient with this one. Looking for it to really break this support, break this opening range, and come down. Potential 54.11 potential. So a little over $1 and some change. $1.30 on my position. Target 54.11. Stop and place on LYFT, so I don't have to pay too much attention to that one. Just let it play out. If I get stopped, I get stopped. If I don't, then we're sitting pretty for this thing to run back down. See what happens. All right, quarter after 10, checking in. LYFT still green. Like it's trying to develop a support here in this area. Obviously I'm short, so I want it to roll over, but if it pops up and stops me and I don't make any extra money, that's okay. Okay, LYFT was looking like it wanted to roll over, and then it just yanked. Testing that low from yesterday, looking like it's gonna run through it. WBA still just, it's got me in that point where I kind of want to flip my position, but I want to still just want to sit tight with it. I had to take the L on WBA. Broke the opening range, made a new high. Locked in 172 and lost and got long. Twice as many shares, looking to recoup. If I'm wrong, then it's gonna hurt a little bit. Go. All right, it's 1 o'clock. Let's check in on our trades. WBA not doing so good with this ticker today. Taking the L. Still holding these shares. Not gonna give them much more room for a loss. LYFT still short. No problem there. So just hanging out with Walgreens. This was probably my biggest mistake today, was just trading this ticker. It just it hasn't moved all day. It started popping up here. I felt like it was gonna go on a 15 to 20 minute run to 56.50 high a day, maybe test higher, and it just failed miserably. So just sitting in it through the lunch hour. Gonna see what happens after lunch. 1 o'clock, so something should happen pretty soon. Either gonna get stopped out and gonna be done for the day minus 350 bucks, or it's gonna pop up and we're gonna get back in the greens. We'll see what happens. All right, Walgreens pulled down on me, added another 500 shares, got a total of 1,000. Saw a wall of buyers down here at 50 cents, so I figured I'll take a chance. See if I can catch a bounce. Not playing around with it though. If it comes back, I'm gonna just get out. Get off of the first 500. Ready to dump Walgreens if it comes back. See that big wall of buyers there? That's why I bought the extra 500 shares. Big wall of buyers at 55.50. Looking for this to bounce 10 or 20 cents to just scalp 500 shares and reduce this loss. If it breaks below, I'm just going to dump it. Just going to dump it. Can't play around with this many shares. If this thing yanks 30 cents, I mean, it's another 300 bucks on top of the 400 I'm already down. Not having that. Ain't playing around like that. There we go. Bounce it up, 10 cent. Give me another 10, 15 cent. I'll sell partial. Scalp some of that loss out, get a little better average. Okay, moment of truth here. Watching these buyers. If they get out of the way, I'm gonna have to dump this position before it drops. Looking to see the bid moving up. And these buyers, if these buyers start thinning out like they are right now, I'm gonna have to get out. I'm out. I don't like it. I'm half out. See all these sellers coming in and the buyers thinning out, so getting ready to come out the other half. Oh, wait a second. And I'm all out. Maybe we'll try and short it. All these sellers over here. Clock session's getting ready to start. Let's see the buyers get out of the way. Maybe I'll take a stab at a short. Down 435 bucks in a day. If this trade doesn't work, I'm gonna call it. It's gonna be a wrap. Bad day. Tomorrow's a new day. No sweat. Shake it off. Brush it off. Let's go. Not really, no. Alright, so I'm short. I'm 50 cents. Got walls of sellers piling in, not many buyers. See if we can recoup some of this loss. Up 30 bucks. 3 minutes on the range, quick light range, 3 minutes. Alright, this candle's trying to close out weak. 3 seconds on the range. Bouncing a little bit here. We are back at 40 cents, up 90 bucks. Alright, the seller's thinned out there, so I locked in at 90 bucks. Reduce my loss down. Keeping an eye on LYFT. I really want to swing this again tonight, but if it starts pushing up over these levels I have marked, I'll probably just go ahead and lock in a small profit on it. Alright, taking a little short on WYNN. Let's go. Short from 34.93, 200 shares. WYNN's working out a little bit here, making my day a little better. Really would like to see this drop 70 cents. We got 28 minutes. Added 200 more to WYNN at 135.26. Even on the position. Might be too heavy. Not gonna give it much room. Exit. Alright, I'm out of LYFT. Focus on WYNN here in the last couple of minutes. In seconds. I'm gonna have to cover it there. I'm out of WYNN minus 50 bucks. All right, guys. So bad day, minus $400. Not, man, not terrible. I traded a little more size than I normally do. WBA really got me. I mean, if I just would have stayed in my assumption, they really, I mean, it looked like it was going to go for, it here, so I got long. Had I stayed short, this $300 loss would have never happened. This $80 loss would have been, what? A couple $100 in profit. I'd have been up like 240 on the day. So changing my assumption here was my mistake today. That caused me to make this big $300 L going the other direction on a lot more size. It also caused me to trade win for $50 loss. Could have locked in 70 bucks on that win at one point, but was looking for it to drop a little more. That's the way she goes. Minus 400 bucks. Not the end of the world. So, yep, traded a little more size than I normally do. Took a little bit more L than I normally do. That's okay. Maybe we'll trade a little bit more size than we normally do the rest of the week. Maybe not. Really just depends on what I feel in the morning, what the chart looks like. But I hope you guys learned a little lesson today. Hope you enjoy the video. Click like, click subscribe. Green tomorrow. Let's go. We'll see ya.